From the Rutgers WeatherWatcher studio, here's your Rutgers campus weather forecast.
Good afternoon, Rutgers. I'm WeatherWatcher Jeremy Lewan here with your Monday afternoon weather update. And we have some really nice temperatures out there right now. Mid-60s, 64 degrees here in New Brunswick. Normally it's around the 40-degree mark here in December, but we're normally not talking about 60s. Right now we do have those warmer temperatures surging up from the south with those winds at 10 miles per hour. And earlier today we had some dense fog. There wasn't as much wind. And that's really burned off throughout the day. We now have some peaks of sun shining through, and humidity is down to 63%. Earlier in the day, it was in the upper 90 percentile range. But you can see those mid-60s manifesting on our state map here. 65 degrees in Mount Holly, 64 again here in New Brunswick, and temperatures in the upper 50s, 57 in Toms River and Atlantic City along the coast, and also the upper 50s in the northern interior of the state where it's higher elevations, 59 in Sussex. But I want to keep you updated on the headlines for this week because we have some exciting weather ahead. Those temperatures are not going to stick around long. Those warm temperatures are actually going to subside overnight. We're going to cool into the 30s overnight. And we have a chance of snow for Wednesday. And then those temperatures rebound again over the weekend when we have some warm and wet weather expected. So you can see on our satellite and radar that we had that dry slot move through. The sun peaked out a little bit over through the afternoon. Now we have a little bit of clouds streaming in. You can see that there are some storms to the east of us. Right now, they're pretty moderate, actually, moving through eastern Pennsylvania. And those storms are expected to continue into our area. I'll show you that on the Futurecast. But it's all part of this bigger, larger system, this low-pressure system with a huge trailing cold front extending all the way up from Ontario through Texas, almost into Arizona. We have some severe weather in the Gulf states in Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. And we also have some of that rain extending all the way up into Quebec with some snowfall that's pretty significant up in Quebec as well as in Maine. So putting the Futurecast into motion, you can see that line of storms move through the area around 7:30. So make sure you bring an umbrella if you have some nighttime classes. And then the storms move out, clearing up over the nighttime hours, over the overnight hours, really cooling off. Once the storm exits, you'll see that those temperatures are going to take a tumble to near the freezing mark. And we do have some streaming lake effect snow off of Lake Erie. And then the snow really fills in around Wednesday morning along with the clouds. You can see that right now this model has the majority of the snow north and east of New Brunswick. However, this is just one model and it could all change over the next 48 hours. So we have to keep a very close eye because you can see this strong precipitation off the coast could move just a few hundred miles to the east and end up or to the west, depending on how the storm tracks, and cause either less snow or more snow for our area. But right now, this is how I'm seeing it. I think it's going to be about a coating for southern portions of New Jersey. Here in New Brunswick, we could get about 2 inches of snow, and then north and east of New Brunswick, we could see anywhere between 3 and a few more inches than that in the Hudson River Valley. So we'll keep a close eye on this storm track and make sure that we keep you updated with all the latest to make sure that you are prepared for your storm on Wednesday. Bringing it back to tonight, you see those clouds are going to stick around from 4 to 6 o'clock. We could have that storm line of showers move through the area around 6 p.m., 7 p.m. And then around 10 o'clock, those clouds are going to stick around, temperatures taking a tumble into the lower 30s. Overnight, we could see temperature dropping to 33 here in New Brunswick. A little cooler up in the northern section of the state, 30 degrees up in Sussex. And then 34, 36 above the freezing mark for the lower portion of the state. And remember, those clearing skies will ensue overnight. As far as your 7-day forecast, you can see it's going to be 41 degrees tomorrow, mostly sunny. Temperature is going to be a little chilly overnight, though, 29 degrees. Wednesday's when we have the chance for snow showers, so please keep an eye out on the updated forecast as we get more and more data coming in from our storm. Thursday and Friday, temperatures remain about average, 41 degrees on Thursday and 50 degrees on Friday. Could be some PM showers, and then the weekend does look like a washout, but those temperatures are surging up into the 60s, 62 on Wednesday and 55 on Sunday. Oh, excuse me, Saturday and Sunday. Those are the weekend temperatures. And then, of course, on Monday, we are looking to have some cooler temperatures again, 48 degrees and partly cloudy. So please keep updated on all of our weather content on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Good luck with your last week of classes. We're getting to the finish line, everyone. Good luck on finals.